Hey bike farmers, thanks for clicking in. I know what you're thinking, not that bike again. Well, yes, this bike again. We're gonna take this fork apart and see if we can get it working. At the end of the last video, I discovered that we got this whole bike fixed and then the fork didn't work. And it really doesn't matter. You know, I mentioned that you can kind of take this apart and clean them up and whatever, and I haven't done it in so long. I don't even really remember how it goes or what I'm doing. Or maybe I'll break it, and if I break it, so what? I've got other ones, you know, in the back, and we'll put a new fork on it or something. Lots of potential for struggle here. It might just go real smoothly. I just don't even know. I thought it might make some good content. So you kick back and relax, and let's dig in. Per the usual, we disconnect the brakes and pop the wheel off. And we're gonna want to disconnect this brake cable. Okay. You know, it's hard to believe. I know I've done some multiple part videos. This is like the first follow-up video, I think. I don't know, it's weird. Well, it's weird for me. You probably don't care. That's fine. Oh, dropped a spacer. Das ist ein Forken, ja? Ja. A lot of you have been asking about my stand that used to be red, and yes, I painted it gray. Trying to get things to focus better on the task at hand. How about that? Huh. Well, that's just filthy in there. Still filthy. Want to get good purchase, I'd hate to strip one of these guys out. There we go. Okay. Actually, it's not stripping right, it's rounding. Maybe try a different wrench. Now, presumably, I guess I dented the crap out of that, but okay. Well, these are pretty roachy. What happens here? I've never done this. I haven't watched any videos on it. This is like paper in here. A little bit of rust. This might be one of those things where I'm like, why don't I do this on all the bikes where the forks don't work? Probably about to learn. see if I can shed some light down in there. You can see how grungy things are. Try to clean that out somehow. Got this Finish Line citrus degreaser and my Flex Hone. All right, I'm gonna see if I can get this rag down in there, at least somewhat. I mean, it got down there somewhat. It's like cleaning a gun. I don't know, put it back together? Should we be lubing it? This is messed up. It's messing with me. I don't know what the story is with that. I don't know. Doesn't seem to be moving very freely still. What do I do? Just gonna keep on honing. What happens if we flip it upside down? Oh, not that one. Why isn't anything pouring out? Huh. It looks really clean in there now. I mean, there's a bunch of gunk at the bottom, but who cares? I know what we can do. Okay, that's better. You can see this is kind of what has come out of the bottom. I don't know. I mean, I feel like we're beyond rescuing here. That's that little plastic thing at the bottom. And that's what these guys screw into. Almost dropped that. Oh, dropped the bolt. Ha ha ha. I think getting these to catch is going to be tricky. How about this little screwdriver? Okay, we're in. I don't think this is going to work. Oh, it is sort of working. All right, let's put it on the bike and see what happens. Oh, look at that. I'm a genius. You guys already knew that. Okay. Got that going. Well, that's probably good enough for me. Let's take a quick look. We'll tighten this stem down and then really work it. Wow, that's just fine, right? I mean, it should come up all the way there, but just beat on it a little bit. Huh, fixed. Oh. What a nice, dumb little video that was. I'm gonna call it a success. I love winning. I just won. Go buy some merch. Thanks for watching. See you next time.